Hello and welcome. In this short demo, we'll be going over planned maintenance on AKS. Planned maintenance allows you to schedule weekly maintenance windows that will update your control plane as well as your Kube-system pods on a VMSS instance and minimize workload impact. This truly allows you to do maintenance on your schedule. In this example, we will create a maintenance window by using the AKS maintenance configuration add command. Here we just created a window for our maintenance to occur at Thursday at 3 a.m. We can update our maintenance window by swapping out the add command for update. Just like that, we have updated our window to start at 5 a.m. on Thursday. Finally, you can list all the maintenance windows in your cluster by using the list command. Here we can see the exact times that each of your windows occur. This allows you to know which windows you may want to delete or modify in the future. Planned maintenance is a must for those who want to continue to automate their cluster operations. For even a bigger impact, planned maintenance recognizes when you have auto upgrade and will only upgrade your clusters during your maintenance windows. For more information on planned maintenance, please visit the Microsoft documentation. Thank you for watching this video.